Okay, our last method to multiply binomials, it's what's called FOIL. And as you move through your algebra classes and anything that's higher, when they talk about multiplying two binomials, you will often hear you have to FOIL. Okay, the vertical method or horizontal method or area model won't pop up as much, but you'll hear FOIL all the time. So this is a good one to focus on. FOIL is an acronym that helps you remember the organization of the four pieces. So the F stands for first. What that means is that you multiply the first two terms of each binomial. So in this case, that is the X and the X. Those are the first two pieces. Okay, they've did that right here. It is the X times the X there. Okay, I'm going to erase this as we go. Next would be O. So O stands for outer. So outer would be the two outside terms here, the ones on the first and the last one. So the X and the 6. Okay. So as you're going through these, make sure to spell out FOIL. And if you do it in the wrong order, like FLOI, it's fine, except for the fact that it's not going to be in standard form. It'll all be mixed up, so it'll be a little bit harder to see. Okay, so there's O. And then I is the two inside terms or the inner terms. So the two inside pieces are these two X here in the middle. Okay, make sure, to include the sign. Always include that sign. So the positive 6, the negative 2. And the last one, funny I should say that, is called last. And that means those are the two last terms of each binomial. So that would be the negative 2 and the positive 6. Okay. This organizes it so that your x squareds will always be in the front, and then your constant term will always be in the back, and then your x's or your like terms will always end up being in the middle. So it really organizes it in a great way. It's also an acronym that helps you remember all four pieces and you don't miss anything, okay, or do something twice. So it's a really good one to remember.